Hi, my name is Dave Pultorak, and I'm delighted to talk to you today about Pultorak and Associates. Pultorak and Associates was founded in 2001. We have lots to offer in the area of our specialty, which is IT service management. Things like ITIL, COBIT, ISO 20000. What we do is we help large enterprise IT shops, typically global 5,000, Fortune 500 type companies, get better results applying these sorts of IT service management concepts. We also have another business, which is to help the providers that help them do a better job. So we help organizations that do managed services use ITIL and other sorts of service management concepts to better manage managed services. We help them develop services. We help them develop products and build these kind of concepts into their products. That's a fun business too. So let's walk around our business a little bit here, and I'll show you what we've got to offer. First thing I'm excited about to talk about is our courseware. We've got courseware in four modalities. First of all, we have the full line of ITIL offerings. So we have awareness courses, foundation courses, the intermediate capability and life cycle courses, everything up through expert. It's all accredited. We've contributed to ITIL, to COVID, to things like this, so it's authoritative. You know that. It's instructionally designed, and it's high quality courseware, but we've also worked very hard to make it cost effective. Let me give you an example. We have CBTs. You can take every one of the CBTs and all the tests required to get your ITIL expert certification for less than it costs to go to one of the courses at our competitors and sit the exam. So that's 1/5 or 1/6 of the price, depending on how many courses you take. There's a point system, 5, 6 courses. But that's significant. So I want to be clear on that. And this is not gray market. This is accredited training. It's in use in over 50 countries in the world with good results, so you can use it too. So don't let the low price fool you. But let's get into what we have. We have four different modalities. First is our traditional ILT, Instructor-Led training. So we can deliver training for you, but we can also just sell you the courseware. And if you have qualified trainers, you can deliver it yourself. Do a TTT, deliver yourself. Or for your customers, if you're a services provider. We also have virtual instructor-led training. Again, you can deliver this virtually yourself. Virtually means online synchronous training. It's designed for that. You have a web presence. You use live meeting or some such thing to deliver it. So that's another option. And then two other options are e-learning. We have a e-learning website. If you go to Pultorak and Associates, it's elearn.pultorak.com. You'll see it. It's right here. All our courses are on there. You can take them online and join in with the communities. And you can see over here, you get ITIL expert mentoring built into the courses. That's important because e-learning can be tedious. You're sitting there, it's off hours, whatever, getting through this stuff, and you come to a point where you have a key question. You want to be able to talk to an ITIL expert. And that's what this Ping the Panda feature is over here. It allows you to talk to an ITIL expert and answer your specific questions as you go through the materials. That's a key differentiator there. In addition, we have CBTs. I love these because whereas e-learning requires you to have an online internet connection, CBTs, you download them, you can run them directly on your machine as an executable, take the courses there. And the beauty about what's available now for both e-learning and CBTs is you can take the tests online immediately after. We offer a couple different testing options. One is vouchers that you can buy. You can buy a whole set of vouchers or individual that work everywhere worldwide. So you can take the test at Prometric or a View Testing Center. Or you can take it online. We have a relationship with Loyalist, so you can take the test online, provide your own proctor. That's another cost-effective and quick way to get the test taken care of with instant results. Our customers are loving that kind of stuff. So let me just take you through a couple more things on our website here. I want to point out, yes, we have courseware publications. You can click through and order those. We're the authors of things like the Moth Pocket Guides and other sorts of publications. You can order those posters we've made. You can order those online here. It clicks through to our Pultorak store, which is here, has all those things. You can always pick up the phone and call us at 206-729-1107 or write us at info@pultorak.com to talk to associates. By the way, we are located, our headquarters in Seattle, but we have offices also in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and in Manila, the Philippines, which is our development center. So just on that then, let's move. This is courseware that we talked about. There's also some free stuff that you can download, and I really encourage you to take a look at this. We have free downloadable versions of the the ITIL Pocket Guide V2, V3, as well as free downloadable posters, wallpapers that have the images of ITIL and MOF and other frameworks up there for you to download, as well as podcasts and other sorts of material. So have a look there. Other things on our site. Let's have a look here. Consulting and training. We already talked about training. In addition to all the courseware that we have, we do delivery. We do delivery worldwide, and we've been doing it for quite some time. We have a large network of trainers there. So if you have worldwide delivery capability, including getting a native speaker to deliver the course in English, we can do that. Consulting and training. Let's talk about that. We do the training delivery, all levels, no problem. We'll even train you to train. For consulting, we do all the traditional ITIL consulting. So assessments, process definition, improvement, design, tooling, and tool implementation. We love, that's one of our specialties, to help you really implement tools correctly. What we see in a lot of organizations is they've got one conversation going on over here about implementing processes or improving processes, and another conversation over here going on about the tooling, and never the twain shall meet. We know how, and we love to combine those conversations into one thread where your processes get defined and improved in conjunction with your tools. That's where the real magic happens. It's all about that tooling and automation. So a variety of offerings there. Talk to one of our associates about those. They'd be happy to help you there. Learning and readiness, that's another one of our areas. So whether you've come up with your own custom adapted version of ITIL or some other service management framework, we can help you prepare people to go drive that forward. So those things include creating a custom e-learning or CBTs or traditional classroom training. We even deliver that for you. We'll train your trainers. We love to do that kind of stuff. Strategic ICT sourcing, that's an up-and-coming area. We have some real strong people in that regard. You know, when you think about service management, there's the build aspect of services, but there's also the buy, and the combination of the two. More and more these days, every service is a combination of the two. So making smart choices there is important, and we have some great services there. I encourage you to check them out. And then lastly, I'll show you over here this content development, and that's where we develop IP for you. So whether you're a product or a service company, or you're coming up with your own methodology, we've done that for a number of times with a number of companies to help them come up with their own customized versions of service management frameworks and procedures, etc. Love doing that kind of stuff. So let me just show you a couple of things more. That's the Pultorak, www.pultorak.com site. Over here we have the store, and for everything I just talked about in terms of products you can purchase here online. You can always call us in 206-729-1107 and talk to us there. And then of course there's the e-learning site. You can see a demo of our e-learning here. You can just FYI, if we flip back here to the store, any of these CBTs you can try before you buy. So you can download a full version of a one-day license to go through and see what it's like. We also have bundles. It's very important to see that those bundles are available and their discounts. We have volume discounts. We have flexible purchasing plans. So I encourage you to talk to one of our associates because we represent a really good value when it comes to high-quality content, low cost. That's what we're trying to be about. We want to make sure that you get results from service management and you make your spend wisely. So thanks for spending the time with me on that note, and I appreciate your consideration of Pultorak & Associates. www.pultorak.com, that's 206-729-1107, or info@pultorak.com. I'm Dave Pultorak, and I'm saying thank you.